come time to drag out and stuff, they really don't know what they're looking at. They don't know what to drag out. They don't know how to set up. You know.
Right.
But we kill them when we got them here. Yeah, and when we do need them, won't show up.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
I had one of them blow up on me one time. You know?
Thank
Yeah. Right.
Care if I start a little pile somewhere?
Yeah, go ahead, buddy.
Just
Hey, Bill. I'm gonna have to go next door.
look at?
I can look for you real quick.
I got my cell phone. I ain't good at it. They say something about a chance of rain the other day for Sunday. That was the other day.
I don't feel like it ever rains anymore.
Football, what the hell they say. I don't think them knows that.
I don't either. Doesn't say any rain today. It looks like a high of 82. Mostly sunny. Maybe rain tomorrow.
Oh, got one. Man, it's cloudy out here.
Yeah, it is.
Well, get out. I never did get potatoes completely full yesterday. You get bugging me. I never did get that infield or that middle field. Or we got a lot of between me and this old boy just left here. We got a lot of.
Where you guys get all this stuff?
We just clean people's properties.
Oh, do you? Like house clean outs and stuff?
You and Blake do just all kinds of auctions.
That's a good business right there.
Sales. I've been taking care of my dad for the last 10 years, and it slowed me way down. Where I couldn't do anything.
Yeah.
Really, you know what I mean?
How often you guys do these sales out here?
I'm gonna start trying to have them out here about once a week.
Oh, are you?
City don't screw with me too much, you know what I mean?
That's cool.
I want to try to do it, you know, once a week or anything. So.
Yeah, you're kind of hidden off the road.
See what happens. People start getting to realize I'm over here. You know, a lot of people enjoy buying off of us, but we don't sell all the stuff we sell reasonable. You know what I mean?
Right.
So,
Right. Now I love sales.
come back. You know what I mean?
I love sales like this. I've been here 3 times already.
Have you?
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, I guess it's hard to just pull so much out without
Right.
help. And our helpers aren't real good helpers. You know what I mean? Like today, they ain't showed up or nothing, which we really don't need them today. But
Yeah.
when it comes time to dragging out and stuff, they really don't know what they're looking at. They don't
Right.
know what to drag out. They don't know how to set up. You know.
Right.
We
Right.
ain't both ready to kill them when we got them here. Yeah, and when we do need them, won't show up. That's what's probably gonna happen tomorrow. Sometime to tear it down. It'll be vacant. They won't be around no more.
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it about once a week. I rent this shop. Like I said, I just been slowed down so bad for my dad ain't been able to do much. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? I used to hand tool leather work around. I'm getting ready to get back into doing that again. I got time to sit down and do it.
It looks like a lot of different stuff than a couple weeks ago, so I'll keep checking you out.
Yeah.
I'll drive by.
These computer friends. I'm still on the city, don't with me.
Right.
I don't know how many allowed on allowed to have it here or whatever, but good place to have it. Just, I mean, there's a lot of traffic here. Down 952, we go down there sometimes to set up, and it's busy some down there. And
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You had so many cars come through a place that's ungodly, dude.
Yeah.
I know that much traffic don't go by here. There ain't no way. You know what I mean? Ain't no way.
No. All right, I got a little pile for you to look at when you get a sec.
That
Excellent.
speedometer, I want $20 for it. It's a Volkswagen.
This right here?
The speedometer.
Okay. Oh, this right here?
Speedometer. Yeah, I want 20 for that.
Okay.
And let you know. That little car, I want $10 for it.
Okay.
Little bitty Volkswagen car. And a hat, couple bucks. The roller skates, $5. What does it say on the speedometer? 20?
Yeah, that right there. Okay.
See that radio's hid. What's that thing underneath the yellow black box? What's that?
This right here?
Oh, it's a telephone. Isn't it?
Yeah, just a little telephone.
$40. I know. Is that the flare flex kit?
This right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me $50.
50 for everything?
Yep. Well, that radio. What's that damn radio? It's his radio. What about that?
Right there.
What is that? What did I tell you? 50?
50, yeah.
55?
55 for everything?
Totally 55 for everything. They're gonna have you fuzz 20 on the speedometer, 10 on the little car with the huge head that spins around. The little and the radio. I don't know. I told him 55 for everything. It's cool you.
Good, good.
All right.
And that was with the hat too?
Yeah.
Cool.
That too.
That sounds fair.
Cool. Yeah, tell all your friends. Now we're gonna try to be here about once a week. once every week or every other weekend. Like I said, it all depends on how I get along with the damn mayor.
Okay.
You know, they can.
No, I drive by here every day, so.
Yeah. Here in town, or?
Yeah, just down the road on 40 here.
Keep an eye out over here.
Yeah, I just look for that sign that you put out right there.
We got a lot of dude. I'm telling you, this ain't nothing. We just lazy. If he didn't bring hardly anything here from Indianapolis, normally last time he's here, he had a load of dude.
Oh, really?
Burning them up. Boom, boom, boom. A lot of good shit walked out of here.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, Bubba.
All right, buddy. Thank you. Probably take me a couple trips.
Well, that was yours, Fuzz. Any of that yours? That radio was come from Georgia last night. That Volkswagen tack come from Georgia. And that little gold car.
The only thing mine is the can.
The metal can?
Yeah, the little flyer one.
All right.
Cool.
You need a bag or something, man?
Man, do you have something? That'd be awesome.
Got some bags in here.
And there's big old dudes in there.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
I said, hey man, can I get by here? And he said, well, do you see any way? I said, yep. And I took my little skinny ass right behind him and hit the wall.
Delco radio and Volkswagen.
All right, see you guys soon.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
All right, guys, we are back in the garage. I really like that guy's yard sales, and I'm pretty excited he's going to do them more often because it's always different stuff. He has different people come in. He's a little bit grumpy, but there's a lot of stuff to look through, so it's pretty cool. But real quick, let me show you what I did pick up on this haul to resell. So I paid $55 for everything. So he's not exactly giving stuff away. But honestly, let me show you this first. I got these roller blades. They're genuine roller blades, spirit blades. And I think that these probably sell for between 50 and 70 bucks. That's why I was comfortable paying 55 for everything, because I figured these would cover the cost and everything else would be the profit. So got the roller blades, picked up this Norgren regulator right here. It's got a gauge on it. It's a little dirty, but I'll clean it up. I've seen these regulators sell used for about 50 bucks or so, so that's pretty cool right there. A couple weeks ago, I talked about bucket list items, and another one of my bucket list items are vintage wooden lures, and I found this entire can full of them. Some of them are plastic, but a lot of them are wood, so I was really excited to grab these. They're not in the best shape, so I don't think I'm going to make a killing on them, but I'm excited to do some research on them and see what I can make on them. A few that are in here. Here's a Hedon Supersonic. Here's a plastic Hedon Tadpole. This one is an unbranded one, but I think it's really interesting. It's definitely wood. It's got the glass eyes. I don't know what this is, but I think that one's really cool. And I don't really know how to research it either. Here's a Barracuda Dalton Special wooden lure. Here is a Cordell Big O. I've seen some of these do okay. I don't necessarily know if this one will or not. This one I think is interesting. It's a wooden creek chub pikey. I've searched and searched and searched, and I can't find one that's bare wood like this. Maybe it's just completely worn, but that's an interesting lure right there. Another little bad condition, unbranded thing. Here is a jointed king chub. This one is unbranded. It's got the little propellers on it. Again, don't really know how to research that. I think these might all be unbranded too right here, but I think they're all plastic anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But that's pretty cool. I'm excited to have finally found some vintage wooden lures. Got this 1973 Matchbox. It's not really worth a whole lot, maybe between 5 and 10 bucks, maybe even less. And he wanted 10 bucks for this. So honestly, I probably could have put a couple things back and got a better price, but I just like to bundle it all up for one price. And that's what happened. So this I definitely won't make much on. This is pretty cool. It's an old Columbia piano phone. These I've seen sell for between like 20, and I've seen one go for as high as 54, and that was in used condition. This one is new in the box, like new old stock. I definitely think that I could probably get between 50 and 60 for this phone right here. So that's pretty neat. This is a new old stock sound flash. It makes your Christmas lights flash. I think it's from the 80s. There's the old stickers on them right there. I don't see any sold comps for this, but I do see an active for 80 something dollars. I think within the next month or two something like this will start selling, and I'm gonna ask a lot of money for it because there's not a bunch on the market right now. I think this is one of the neatest finds right here. It's an old VDO Volkswagen Bug or Beetle speedometer. I've seen these sell for between like 40 and 85 bucks. This one looks to be in pretty good condition. The glass isn't cracked or anything, so this should definitely help with the profit right here. I think this is something he wanted 20 for, but again, I did a bundle price, so it doesn't really matter what he wanted for it. There was this old reflector flare kit right here. Some of these can be worth a lot of money. Like, look out for the brand Rotunda. This, however, is IH brand. The box is completely shot. And it turns out that it's actually missing one of these, so there's only 2 of these in here. But the actual reflectors are in really good shape. They're Stimsonite 12A reflectors. The same reflectors that are used in some old Schwinn products. So I don't really know how I'll sell this, if I'll part it out, if I'll just take the reflectors out and sell those separately and sell the tripod separately. But I definitely don't think I'll lose anything on it, so that's okay. The last thing I found was this old Delco Oldsmobile radio. Some of these things can do really well, and I don't necessarily think this is one of them. And it's not like I can test it either. A lot of people bench test them and sell them that way, and then other people sell them for parts, kind of untested, and that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably just do a little research on it, price it at the top of the market, and let it set until someone needs one. So that's what I picked up there this time. Hopefully he sticks to his word and tries to do it once a week or so, because there's still a couple more months of nice weather. And hopefully, as he said, the mayor doesn't F with him too much. But that's what I got for you this time, guys. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.